This is artist Dennis Pendleton. I'm here in the workshop building at my new studio, number 205. Let's go inside and I'll take you on a studio tour. Here's one of the big north light windows. And then here's one of my Venice paintings and some of the masks that I've collected from Venice. And down here's one of my cases with my pastel box and some things for still life painting. Another one over here with art books and one of my taxi cabs from the ceramics class at the Art Students League. Second north light window, some other things I've collected from Venice. A Jean Claus etching, a Lowell Ellsworth Smith watercolor, a Goya etching, some other paintings that I've collected, and some more masks from Venice and Mexico. There's a Camille Pissarro photograph and a Claude Monet photograph. There's a painting I did of the interior of the Venice Opera House. A wonderful Rod Goebel portrait down here. Some things from my trip to Africa. And let's back up here. Here's a bookcase with all my art books and other things that I've collected. And then at the other end of the studio, you can see the drafting table where I'll be painting and shooting videos. That's about it.